I'm Dr. Shaikh. I'm a third generation doctor from my family. We always joke it's like a family business being into medical, my grandparents being doctors. I make it a point, I was always taught that that's an inherent characteristic of a Bombayite. We have to be on time or ahead of time. I'm a very impatient person. I can't wait myself. I would hate anyone to wait, especially in a dental clinic. So it's my staff, it's not me. They work round the clock to make sure the workflow is absolutely linear and makes our life very easy. Let's say I go to a restaurant, I order off the menu, the service was great, the food was fabulous, the ambience was excellent. If that bill ticks me off, I'm not coming back, I'm not referring it again. That's what I apply in day-to-day practice. We have to provide the best service, the best results, cutting-edge technology, the best materials, and let's keep it amiably priced. It can be achieved. Let's get greed out of the factor and go on with it. You can talk to a child and you can make anything happen. I think I was probably 8 years old. I was in Riyadh. My father used to be an orthodontist and I had to take my first anesthesia. I still remember the doctor. It was an American periodontist called Dr. Schultz, and he talked me into the injection. There was no grabbing, holding me down, and that was an eye-opener for me. So children can be managed. Children are fun. Let's communicate. No, I would love to embrace technologies which could speeden up my process, but I need a product and a sustainable product. Going in too quick might be a challenge because it might not sustain. We're not here for a 3 to 5 year treatment program. We want something to last a lifetime, and I'd rather be remembered fondly. And Dubai is a L-shaped city, as I call it, so I wanted to be in all the 3 zones so that the patients don't have to travel and I will travel. There you go.